you very much. It's for you.
This reminds me of Philippines because there are a lot of coconuts and we drink a lot of coconut milk, water, coconut water.
Yeah. What you see behind me on my back is the Dubai Frame. It's a building made recently and has a shape of a frame. That's why it's the name.
Oh wow.
Why? Because they want to divide the old city from the new city and put everything in a frame. And that's why he made this thing here around. Let's go inside. I think we're arrived. 150 meters. Oh wow. 150 meters walking on top of the glass. So from this side should be the old Dubai, and from the other side the new Dubai that you can recognize because perhaps you can see these buildings far away. What is surprising in Dubai is always some fog. I don't know if it's related to pollution, but this starts the new Dubai. So this is the top of the frame. As you see, is just a long pathway going from there to there. And yeah, from one side we go up, then from next side will be down. What we draw here will be reflected there. Okay, I will make something for you. Record there, please. This is for you.
No, amor, no hagas el tonto que... Amor. Hacemos una foto aquí.
Now we go down. We're going on the top of this building to catch the sunset with a great view on the Palm Island of Dubai. We are on the floor number 52, and from here we can see these artificial palms made by these guys here in the Emirates. Several billions to build these artificial palms, as you see. At the end there is the Atlantis Hotel, and there is the branch of the palm. Lovely sunset with Beautiful sunset, just too many people so you cannot enjoy the magic of the sunset when 50 persons are willing to cover your view with a picture, photo, or too many tourists.